Hey guys, good morning. It's election week, and what I want to help you do is look at the November dividend stocks that you might want to jump in on and when the ex-dividend dates are. Now, ex-dividend date means that you have to have invested in the stock before that date in order to be eligible for the next payment that that dividend is having. Okay, so you can't sign up one day or the day before the dividend payout and expect to get paid out. You have to wait and be in a certain amount of time. Sometimes it's a month for a monthly payout, and sometimes it's quarterly. But these are ones that I chose that are not only a good dividend stock, but a good, strong growth stock, quality companies. I'm not putting any junk dividend stocks up here. These are kind of stocks that have the best of both worlds. Now, before I get started, I want to say my name is Nora. I am a student of investing. I am not a stock guru, and please don't take my advice. Please do your own due diligence. I am sharing this for entertainment purposes. I am sharing this to help you, but please do your own research and never risk money that you cannot afford to lose, okay? Please, please, please do that. And also, please keep enough cash on the sidelines for when these deals do come about that you have money to jump in on a stock. You always want to have, I would say, between 10 and 15% of your holdings in cash. Okay, be safe, guys. It's a very volatile time because of the elections, but it's been a great week to make money with stocks, so I'm going to get started. Now, if you'd like to subscribe, please do that. It helps out a small channel. I don't get paid for any of this. I am not sponsored for any of this. This is simply for entertainment for you. But it helps my small channel out immensely if you could smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Now, my first stock that I'd like to look at, okay, is going to be Pfizer, or ticker symbol PFE. Now, Pfizer's ex-dividend date is today. So if you get these stocks by today, the next time Pfizer pays out, you are going to get that dividend payment. Now, Pfizer, okay, ticker symbol, like I said, PFE, ex-dividend date November 5th, has a 3.98% dividend, and it's going to pay out on December the 1st, which is not that much time to wait, guys. This is amazing. It's a biopharmaceutical company. I'm sure you've heard of them, and they sell healthcare products. Now, it has a good PE ratio of 15.96. That's actually really good, okay? So again, the payout for the dividend is 3.98%. Right now, it's down almost a percent. Right here at 36.63. That's a good price. That is a great price to jump in at, and you can get paid December 1st. Okay? The next stock is going to be Intel, ticker symbol INTC. Now, Intel pays on December 1st as well. You got to get in by today, November 5th. And Intel is on the S&P 500. Okay? And it's going to pay you a 2.89% dividend, okay? That's really good. Intel is a strong company. Another thing I want to talk about with Intel, everybody is really going gung-ho with Neo stock, and I'm sure Neo will be very successful, but just be careful with Neo stock, okay? I get a little wary of stocks that everyone is just, you know, dumping their money into, and just it's getting so much hype. But what you need to remember is all these stocks that rip have to have some sort of retracement or pullback, okay? They're not going to just go up, 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 up. So be very careful with Neo. Yes, I think it's a great long-term hold, but short-term, you might want to be careful, okay? Now, with Intel, they actually are the parent company to another company called Mobileye, which deals with the autonomous driving aspect of Neo, and all these electric vehicle companies are eventually going to get autonomous driving and you want to kind of think outside the box. Intel makes some of the software aspects of the autonomous driving, so you may want to invest some of your money, maybe some of your Neo money, into Intel, and today is a great date to do that because the next time it pays a dividend you will get paid, and Intel is standing at $45.80. Anything under $46 I think is an amazing deal. I grabbed 5 or 6 shares on my Webull account. You can check out my Webull link below. Get 1 free stock for signing up and 2 more when you deposit $100. And some of those stocks can be worth a lot of money. So you want to check that out. I definitely use Webull as well as Robinhood. Alright, moving on to none other than Starbucks, ticker symbol SBUX, standing at $90.37 at the moment. Looks like it's up 0.65% today. Now, you want to get in Starbucks before November 10th. That's the ex-dividend date is November 10th. So you can wait till maybe after payday and grab you a stock or two of Starbucks. It's going to pay out this very same month. So that's a winner chicken dinner, guys. You're going to buy it by the 10th, and it's going to pay you on November 27th. Okay? It's projecting 30% growth in the next 1 to 5 years. That's amazing, guys. Of course, we know Starbucks is going to be around for a long, long time. They are in the retail industry. If you don't have a lot of stocks in retail, that is considered a retail stock. So again, get it by November 10th, and I think you'll be happy with your returns. Next, Microsoft. Microsoft, you have to get by November 18th to get the next dividend payout, which will pay out on December 10th. Okay? The dividend is 1.04%. The PE ratio is 37. Now, the average for big tech is 62. So that's actually a very good PE ratio for Microsoft. I think Microsoft is going to get a lot more involved in some of these new and upcoming, really high-tech projects. I think Microsoft might be a sleeping giant here, guys. You might want to grab some Microsoft. I see them really wanting to get more involved in some of these emerging technology fields, okay? So Microsoft, of course, is big tech, and if you have a lot of big tech, yeah, just balance that out. But you're going to get paid on December 10th if you get in Microsoft by November 18th. Okay, and the next one is McDonald's. Now, I don't own McDonald's. I have never got McDonald's, but it is a reliable dividend payer. They have been paying dividends for a long, long time. McDonald's is $2.15.16 right now. It's up 0.13%. It's not a bad price. It's one of your more expensive stocks, okay? But McDonald's pays 2.26% dividend, okay? So you got to think all these stocks of McDonald's you own, you're going to get these dividends the whole time you own McDonald's. And of course they're growing. They are a very strong and stable company. Maybe not a lot of huge growth, but they are very stable and secure. Low volatility if you're not looking to trade a lot of volatile stocks, okay? The dividend pays on 12/15, so you get that little dividend paid check right before the holiday season, okay? And last but not least, I'm going to throw another one out there. And this is another huge company that's not going anywhere anytime soon. And that is ticker KO, CocaCola. CocaCola, if you get CocaCola by November 30th, you'll get paid on the 15th of December. Again, you'll get that little paycheck right before the holidays. And I'm going to do these dividend videos the first week of every month from here on, so you can kind of get used to some of the better stocks that have the dividends, something to think about. Now, it pays 3.25%, which is a nice juicy dividend, okay? If you want to get some of the Coca-Cola Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. Littles appreciates it. She gives you 2 paws up. Thanks guys. Sending out hugs to all my supporters, all my lady traders out there, and the Capitalist Academy. Got to give them a shout out. I'll put a link to them in the description. You can get 90% off your first month. It's an amazing community. I'm also a part of it. Go check it out. Check out my Webull link. If you want Robinhood, check out my Robinhood link. Please smash the like button and subscribe. And check back soon because I'm going to have a lot of high value content coming up for you soon. Guys, be safe out there. And I hope you finish the week off strong. Peace.